Hey guys, welcome back to Arcade Garage. Just a quick middle of the week video for you. Since I'm doing something on EcoJet. Turbo core is back. I don't know if I explained the other one, but the last drag event, I completely stuffed the core, both wheels, everything. So, turbo sponsor, turbo builder. Got a new one together for me. So we're going to whack it on. Today's Tuesday evening, which is good, so it's cooled down a bit now. So I've got time to put this on and we can go racing tomorrow. It's the final drag night of the year for WA, so it's good, can make it, and try to get some launches dialed in. So we'll jump right into unboxing it and then put it in. If you don't like the video, don't watch it. If you want to see it, I'm just going to film whacking the turbo in. It might be time lapse, it might be on full, is what it is, you know, but let's get you guys up close. Alrighty, let's do the choppy chop. Oh, hell yeah. That is sick. Stickers. Nicely wrapped up. All oiled up. Beautiful. Let's get these out of the way. So here's the core. It's got the custom bigger compressor wheel, the custom bigger turbine, which suits what's in there. So let's get the core in. We'll get the core in, the lines on, and then we'll get the compressor cover on. That'll be easy, just put the compressor cover assembled, just put the snap ring in and done. So let's set you guys up in a spot where you can see and you're out of the way for me, and then we'll whack it in. All right. Get the core. Slide it in carefully. we go. We're in. And I'll adjust that after. Alright, now for one of the final pieces. Turbo guard back on. Then I've just got to get a cable tie this back on, and we'll quickly try and start it before the GoPro dies. Just so I can make sure there's no leaks of exhaust gas or any liquids. Alright, and just like that, the turbo's back on. I am going to pause this because it's definitely going to die in a second, and I'm going to get the keys sorted and we'll try start her up. Alright, you guys are going to have to be from this angle because I got it plugged in to a cable which just reaches to there. So hopefully there's enough battery power to start it. Yeah, you guys can see. Okay, it was charging, it's not anymore. Well, that sucks. Oh well, we better start it quickly. No leaks as far as I can tell. I'm gonna go for a quick little street drive and we'll see. Alright, so little test drive up and down the street, even though it's late at night. Got on a little bit of boost, nothing special. She seems good. No leaks so far, or a little bit of a coolant leak actually. But I'll nip that up. We'll see where that's coming from, nip up the fittings once she cools off. And we should be ready for tomorrow evening to load up on the trailer, go back down to Perth Motorplex and try to get a launch dialed in. So, yeah, if you're watching this now, I'll see you guys on Saturday for that video if all goes to plan. And if you're watching this around Saturday or before then or after then, well, yeah, anyway. Keep up to date with it, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys soon.